Hello, my little artists. Today we are going to draw something colorful, cute, and full of love. Are you ready to draw a rainbow with heart clouds?
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, let's draw some hearts. Draw a small heart, draw a medium heart, draw a big heart. Great! Let's draw more hearts on the other side too. These hearts are our heart clouds. So cute! Now, let's draw the rainbow. Draw a curved arc from one heart cloud to the other. Draw another arc outside it, and another one. Keep going until we have 5 rainbow arcs. Now let's add small hearts all around. Little hearts here, little hearts there. So much love everywhere. Nice job, everyone. Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Looking awesome! Isn't it beautiful?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Let's show our color pens. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Wow! Our rainbow looks amazing! You did a fantastic job today. If you enjoyed drawing this rainbow with heart clouds, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub. See you next time for more fun drawings. Bye-bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.